Hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to create this TikTok logo using Creo parametric. So let's get started. So this is the diagram, like we have like around like all these dimensions to create this part. I think this is fine. So let's go and create this part. Okay, so let me just minimize this, and first of all we need to select the working directory where we have to save all these CAD models like we are doing like past few months, right? So let's select this as working directory and let's click on new and part and click the default template, and let's rename our part as take oops sorry talk underscore logo. Okay, so then our unit as mm sport solid abs. Okay, so now here I'm just going to start my sketch on my front plane. So front plane sketch, and let's go for the sketch view. So here I'm just going to create this outer profile first of all. So for that, like they have provided this square as a value of 115. So let's minimize this. So let's draw a square by using this rectangle equal constraint on. Okay, let me just draw like this. So then let's go for the equal, select this line and this line. Okay, now everything will be like a square shape. Okay, so the distance will be 115. So here, like, okay, select this one 115. Okay, so now we have created this square profile. So at the edges, like we have a radius value of 13 into 4. Okay, we can use fillet here for this one, this one, this one, and this one. So now we have to edit the value of radius 13 to all these edges. But instead of that, let me just go for the equal, select this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now all these fillet values are like equal to this value. Now everything has been like even like it is all the fillet values are equal like 8.14. So now we can able to change this to radius 13. Everything like all the edges will be changed to the value of radius 13. Now like let me just check dimensions for this. You can see this is 13 because here we have mentioned this is 13. Good, equal dimensions. Okay, good one. So then let's go for this inner curves here. So first of all, I just want to create this circle profile, so then we can able to extrude this towards this line profile. Okay, so for drawing this circle we need to find out the center position. So this center position will have 48 from this side and 42.4 as a height value. Okay, so let's place a point here and dimensions like from this line and one more dimension from this line. Okay, so this distance will be 48, so this will be 48. Okay, and the height value this will be 42.4. 42.4. Okay, so now we have placed the center point here, but we need to draw a circle. So the first circle will be 24 as a dia. So let's draw a circle like this and let's adjust this value as 24. Okay, so the next thing will be, okay, that will be like offset value of the circle like 11.4. Okay, so before that let me just delete this one part of the circle. Like this will be like 1 2 3 4 quarters, right? So this will be like a kind of 3 by 4, like one should be deleted. Okay, good one. So if we directly go for the delete, it will not be deleted. Okay, so I just want to place a point on these two, and now we can able to delete this. Okay, so now let's go for the offset. Select this entire circle outside. So this will be 11.4. So 11.4. Okay, I think this looks okay. This is really good, right? Okay, so this is the feature that we got here. So then we can able to close this line. So let's go for the line and let's draw a straight line to connect this. Okay, So then one more line from here to the top, but we need to know about this distance, right? And this should be also 11. Okay, good. Okay, so if this is 11, here it should be have some value of 0.4, right? So I think we can directly go by this full circle itself without placing any point. Offset for the circle 11.4. Okay, close. Here let me just draw a constructive line. Okay, and one more constructive line. So dimensions from here till here, this will be 0.4. Okay, then okay, now let's delete segments over here and here, and um, I think now this will be 11. Okay, good. So now one more constructive line from the center point directly like this, and delete this, and this. Okay, good. Now I just want to join by this line. Okay, now I think this looks good. So now if you go for the dimensions like from here till here, okay, even though now we have, okay, let's draw a line and let's measure. Okay, like then we can able to understand. Okay, okay, so this will be 11 means like this will be oops, sorry, I'm really sorry guys, like this should be a value of 1. Okay, now if I measure like this to this, I think this will be 11. Okay, wonderful, good one. Okay, now this will be 24 and this will be offset of 11. Okay, and this distance will be 1 and this distance will be 11. Okay, good thing. So the next one is the height of this line. So this will be 54 from this edge. Okay, so let's place a point, straight line towards like this. Okay, and then 54 from this edge. Okay, so dimensions from here, or else like from the constructive line to this will be 54. Okay, so now let's draw a line. Okay, and one more line to this, and let's close this. Now if we measure like from here till here, oops, sorry, from here till here, we will have this value of 11 here because of this radius. Okay, this diameter of 24 and this distance is of 1 and this will be 11. Okay, good. So the next thing is we have done all these parts, but we need to do this one. So for this they have mentioned the center point here, but anyway, like we don't want this. Like instead of this, we just want to create this line. So this line should have a distance of 30.7. Okay, like let's create a points here, some points, so that will be very easy for us. Okay, so the point, this will be 30.7. Okay, from the start line from here till here, this will be 30.7. Okay, 30.7, and with a height value of from this mid circle 21.8, 13.5. Okay, from this midpoint to this point. Okay, um, 21.8, 13.5, 21.8 plus 13.5. Okay, I think this is right. Okay, good one. So we have placed this point and then one more point like vertical aligned with this with a distance of 13.5. Okay, point like this, and the dimensions like from here till here, this will be 13.5, but we can able to check this like on cross verify. Like if we measure this should be 28 point, sorry, like 21.8, right? 21.8. Good one. Okay, now let's close this. And the final thing is like we need to create an arc feature for this. Okay, so we have not mentioned any kind of like this will be from the top. I think this will be offset anyway. Okay, so let's draw an arc. So this will be radius of 19. This should be aligned with this center thing here. Okay, good one. Arc, yep, from here. Oops, 3 point. Yep, from here. Okay, from here till here, and I think this is right. But the dimension it should be 19. Okay, entire thing will be changed. Okay, okay. So I think we have to place this arc somewhere like the center point, somewhere like this, and then now we have to change this radius. Okay, 19. That's fine. So then this arc, so this will be a radius of 24.5. Okay, so 24.5. Either we need to take offset of this, or else like let's try for the offset. This 13.5. Yep, it got placed here, but it's still this one. It's still this one and this one. Okay, I think this is somewhat good, but 24.5, right? 24.5. Okay, like it will never change. Okay, good one. Okay, so we can able to create an arc by our own. Like you can able to see, like we can directly go for the arc, and I don't know like where we have to place this exact point here because they have not mentioned any distance here. Like this will be also 13.5, I think so. Um, okay, like this will be a slight bigger. Mm, okay, first of all, let's draw a line. Mm, okay, I think this should meet on this diagonal. Okay, doesn't meet that. These two are same. Okay, either we can take offset, but if we took offset on this, like you can guys can see, like we can't able to change the radius value when we took offset of this line. They have mentioned the center point, but yep, for the center point, yeah, it is placing vertically on this, but we need to know about this horizontal axis. Um, yep. Okay, let's try. Hmm, yep. First of all, I just want to place like this, and radius will be 24.5. 24.5. Okay, good one. I think now I got this because as you can see here, like these 2 points are placed vertically towards straight. Like here also you can able to see this is vertically. Like we have placed these points vertically with each other. Like you can see here, right? So now we can able to place our points here. So then I have adjusted the radius value. Okay. Okay, that's all guys. Like we have completed this part. And then one more thing here is I just want to add the text here. Take talk. Okay, good one. And okay, I'm not sure about this font of this because I'm not sure like about this fonts. Yep, this one. I think this will be like a little bit bold, right? Yeah, this is fine. Good. Okay, now let's escape and rotate and resize and rotate this part. minimize like this. Yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, now let's extrude this. Extrude, shading with edges, both sides. Extrude to a value of 5, or else let's go for 10. Sorry, let's go for minimum value here. Okay, it looks good, right? So then our coloring. So let's hide all this and let's go for shading with reflections. And for the coloring view, I'm just going to give some like fabricated black color. So fabric black color for this entire part. Okay, okay, okay. This looks really good, right? Okay, and I think this looks good. But if we add white color for the text, okay, instead of white color, let me just extrude on this face. Extrude. Let's draw a center rectangle like this. Okay, and this extrude will be 2 or else like 5. Okay, so this will be white. Okay, like this looks good, but it looks a kind of board feature, right? I don't want this. Okay, so that's all, guys. So thanks for watching. And if you want more videos related mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below. And if you want videos based on Power BI or else like any kind of software, you can comment below so that I will upload more and more videos based on that. Okay. So thank you guys. Like we will see next video with a very interesting content. Until then, bye.